Now, all this knowledge would be completely useless if you wouldn't have a good mechanism of control to make sure that you really use the correct language. So if I come here and I realize, I know there are some Polish people in Ireland, so maybe some of you speak some Polish, but probably majority not. It would not help me very much if I knew that, if I couldn't control my linguistic output and speak to you in a mixture of Polish, German, English and Spanish. So the only way you can implement this social knowledge is through what we call executive function monitoring. So it's basically language control. And that explains why bilingual kids and bilingual adults tend to be better in switching between different things, because you have to, it's practically a permanent training for your brain. And that also explains why you get this delay in dementia. It's not necessarily that your memory will be better, but the way you use your memory is better. And that means, so even if you have a certain loss of memory, you will be much more efficient in practically using it, monitoring it, and so on and so on. And that gives the critical edge to people who speak more than one language.